function f of x equals to x squared. Now here the possible domain can be any number. If you put any real number 1, you get 1. If you put 2, you get 4. If you get 3, you get 9. So any possible input values in the real number. So this is x is a real number. The symbol for the set of real number is two vertical lines like that and then r, set of real numbers. Now in case of the domain, you can see that the values of x squared cannot be negative. If you put minus 1, it becomes minus 1 whole squared and it becomes plus 1. If you put minus 2, it becomes minus 2 whole squared plus 4. It is definitely cannot be negative. The only thing it can be equal to, it can be 0. So that means in this particular case, the range can be equal to 0. That means the range f of x can be greater than or equal to 0. But in case of upper limit, it has no limit. It goes up to infinity. Since infinity is not a real number, we don't give equal to sign. So in other words, for equal to sign, we give this third bracket 0 to infinity. This is the interval that we write. So in other words, you can write the range of f of x. F of x is greater than or equal to 0. That is the range of the common function f of x is equals to x squared. Now it would be a good idea to see what it looks like visually. The values of x could be any value here, any real value, but the value of the range, it is 0 is the lowest value. It cannot be negative. So visually now we can see that it is f of x is greater than or equal to 0. Generally speaking, if you have a parabolic shape, if you have fx, that is a parabola, a quadratic function, ax squared plus bx plus c, the range is going to be depending on the picture. If it's a parabola like that and it has a minimum value, suppose the minimum value is a comma b, so the minimum value is y coordinate b, so it is going to be fx is greater than or equals to b, the minimum value. On the other hand, if you have a function that looks like this, the maximum value, this is the maximum value and the turning point is ab, then in this case, so this is for minimum, function is greater than or equal to the minimum value, and if it's the maximum value, x is less than or equals to b, the maximum value,